I literally posted it yesterday.
I didn't plan to make money, I was just trying to grow the channel. But these PCs sold way faster than expected, and there's one big reason why.
Well, thank you guys very much.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
So here's the deal, I'm not a flipping expert. I didn't start this to make profit. I just wanted to build more computers, keep the channel moving, and make better content. But then something unexpected happened. They started selling really fast. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the 3 PCs I sold recently, what I learned, and why I think they sold when others don't.
Well, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, definitely.
You can count it.
The video, Jesus, should still be recording.
So after the $400 build, I was still putting in the work. I made listings on OfferUp, Jawa, and Facebook Marketplace. I even made a whole walkthrough video on how to post them. I thought that's what you had to do to sell PCs. But when I built the white PC, I didn't really plan to sell it right away. I had some pictures on my phone, so I casually threw them up on Facebook Marketplace. No fancy listings, just the specs and a link to the video.
I subscribe to your YouTube channel.
I appreciate
Your videos
it.
are actually really high
Cool,
quality.
thank you. That's it, right? That's funny.
Both of us, we play the same game.
This is the money right here.
Almost always been on PC.
Yeah,
He's almost always, well,
been on console.
Yeah, yeah.
You're coming to the dark side, huh?
yeah, bro.
Yes, I am. I'm becoming a PC elitist.
PC guys for it.
Yeah.
350, all right, perfect.
That's where I'm at. All right.
Cool, well thank you very much, appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you guys. Enjoy it, like I said, if you have any issues, hit me up.
Awesome, yeah.
Cool,
Keep me up with your YouTube channel.
yeah, I appreciate it. You guys have a good one.
And that one sold instantly. No haggling, no extra effort. That's when it really clicked for me. The video was the listing. I didn't sell the PC, the video did.
Computer is sold, white build is done, bye-bye. I literally posted it yesterday. And it is sold the next day.
Now at this point, I wasn't trying to flip PCs for a profit. That wasn't the goal. But I had just built what I genuinely thought was the best $1,000 gaming PC ever built. All because I found a used RTX 4080 for $550. And I knew I probably wasn't gonna find a deal like that anytime soon. So I actually just picked up the 4080 Founders Edition for
$550 used yesterday in Bremerton.
How much?
$550.
So instead of listing it at cost, I thought, what would it cost me to rebuild this exact same PC again? Realistically, I thought $1,350 was about right, especially if I had to pay closer to $800 for the GPU. So I listed it at that just to see what would happen. So I listed the PC right before I went to bed. And that night, my phone just blew up. I got so many messages while I was trying to sleep that I had to silence my phone just to make it through the night. The next morning, I started responding. I just picked the first guy who messaged me. I told everyone else I was already working with someone, but this guy started asking a ton of questions, making assumptions of the specs, second guessing stuff. Then out of nowhere, someone I had turned down messaged me again and offered $1,450. So I told him for $1,450, you just jump to the top of the list. So we set up a meet for the next day, and that's when I found out he had watched the video, loved the build, and was driving all the way from Oregon to pick it up.
How's it going?
Good, I saw your video too.
Yeah, it was quite the drive you just committed to.
So quite the people on the road too.
Yeah, I bet.
I can't believe $550 for a
550.
4080. All right. All right, so 50. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
You want me to hold this up for you?
Yes, please, if you can.
I know, I'm like, dude, just sell your computer and keep your computer. I'm like, oh, I was thinking about it. I would be lying to spend Alright, how's it going? Oh, here it is, you guys. The best $1,000 computer sold for $1,450. There it is. Real PC flipping, you guys. Real PC flipping.
That's when it hit me again. The video didn't just help me sell this PC, it made someone drive across state lines to buy it. So in my last video, I built an easy to copy $1,000 gaming PC, and I used the exact same strategy to sell it. I posted some clean photos and I used the actual thumbnail for the listing photo. I wrote the specs and linked them to the full video.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Sorry, what's Bank of America? They suck.
Oh, no worries.
Do you do this for work? Or?
Yes, I do.
Awesome.
Works perfectly fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, not a problem. So let's shut it down and we'll get it
Okay.
boxed up for you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, not a problem. Alright, and we could probably just get away with it being right here on top.
Awesome.
Boom. You want me to put some tape over this?
No. Okay, you
There
got
you
it.
go.
You got this?
Yeah.
Don't drop it.
Well, thank you guys very much.
Thank you so much.
you.
Absolutely. You guys have a wonderful time.
Yeah, you
And here it is, you guys. And the money. And there's PC flipping, you guys, at its core, and there it is. We spent $999 on the computer, plus tax, right? Comes out to just 1,100 bucks, and we sold it for $1,250. Done, just like that. It took a couple days, but the PC sold $1,250 cash, built for $1,100 after tax, $150 profit, no used parts. But here's the thing, this isn't just something I can do, it's something you can do too. If you're flipping PCs, or trying to, you're probably posting specs with no context. You're probably blending in with thousands of other listings. But when someone could watch the PC being built, tested and benchmarked, when they can see the actual effort you put into it, that changes everything. That's what builds trust, that's what makes people excited, and that's what's been selling these computers for me. So if you're serious about flipping PCs, even just one, I genuinely think you should make a video. Doesn't have to be cinematic, doesn't have to be perfect. Just show the build, talk about it, benchmark it, let people see what they're buying. I'm still figuring it out, but this one thing has made a huge difference for me, and it might just be the reason why my gaming PCs sell and yours might not.